Cakey.
Hiya, Gabby. I thought I heard you and Pandy. Wait, where's Pandy?
Huh. I haven't seen him.
Hello, Cakey.
Ah! A kitchen ghost!
It's just me, Cakey. Invisible Pandy.
Pandy, it is you! But why are you invisible?
He ate one of our magic bananas.
Magic bananas?
Magic bananas, a little magic in every bite.
Oh.
Sorry if I scared you, Cakey.
Only a little. And you just gave me a great idea for a ghostly good snack.
Kitty Ghost Pops.
Kitty Ghost Pops?
Yup. Wanna help me make some?
Oh, yeah.
Count me in.
Sprinkle-riffic! The first thing we need is my jiggly gelatin mixture. It's in a big blue bowl with stars on it. In the kitty fridge.
We'll get it. Hey, kitty fridge. Where's the big blue bowl with stars on it?
I got it. Jiggly gelatin. Coming in for a landing.
Thank you! Now, I'm just gonna pour the gelatin into our molds. There! Whoopsie! Ooh!
Invisible cleanup. Easy peasy. No one can see me.
Now we just add our wooden sticks. And now we need one more thing. Gummy kitty ghosts! Pick your favorite one.
Meow. Follow me, kitty ghosts.
Now we just pop them in the fridge until they're ready.
I'm on it. In you go.
Hey, kitty fridge. Meow. Will you let us know when our ghost pops are ready? Meow, meow.
I'll get 'em.
Thanks, kitty fridge.
Now we're in for a treat. A kitty ghost pop treat.
This is tasty.
And jiggly wiggly. Ow. Ow.
Hey, Invisible Pandy. Ready for some water?
Thanks. I'm thirsty and I'm ready to be regular Pandy again. I'm back.
Pandy, I'm so glad to see you.